This is crazy. Look at this. From Sportback SUV to pickup truck in under 10 seconds. You also have a divider that pops out from the bed. And then what you'll get is a glass piece that'll fully seal it like that. Now, this car comes with these augmented reality glasses. Watch this, ready? Oh yeah. The future is now. And for the first time ever, you have a glass grill. Watch this.